Trying to decide between Shopify and Printful for your online store? Let's make this simple. They actually do different things, even though they're often compared. Shopify is your full e-commerce platform. If you want to build a branded online store, manage inventory, handle payments, and scale your business, whether you're selling physical products, digital goods, or subscriptions, Shopify gives you the full toolkit. It's powerful, flexible, and trusted by businesses all over the world. Printful, on the other hand, is a print-on-demand service. It doesn't act as your store. Instead, it connects directly to your Shopify shop or another platform and handles the printing, packaging, and shipping of your custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more. You design it, they make it, and ship it when someone orders it, so you don't have to hold any inventory. So which one is better? Well, if you're doing print on demand, you don't really choose one over the other. You use them together. Shopify gives you the store, and Printful helps you sell without holding stock. Let me know in the comments if this helped you understand the difference. And if you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews and e-commerce tips every week. See you next time.